this is what we're living in for the next 2.5 months.
Get the meats!
Cooking the meat!
Cooking the meats!
Evie cutting things.
Shit there! Give me that bee vomit!
God.
Oh my god, it's like just one mass.
All my cheese is in the car.
Say that again.
Oh,
gee, you're really shaking it over there.
Soft hands like your mama. You like to stay up late and watch indie movies.
There's the GoPro tripod.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You can get the shits out there.
It still works. Oh wow! No! The mastermind.
It isn't the fashion, the cash, and it isn't the trash in hotels. It's the pit of the passion you feel in the moment you crashed and you failed to get up and you're smashing it well like it was a pistachio shell. And you gotta be gnashing your teeth to be giving them hell, cause to love is a radical act. Give your brother a pat on the back, and if you get a panic attack, feel like you're at the back of the pack. And opinion's exactly that. If they say that your magic is black, just do what you do and you do what you do. Keep on pulling that rabbit from hat. You might think that you're ruined, you might think you're defeated. If you love what you're doing, you've already succeeded. But there's gonna be bleeding when another one bites that dust, so get ready to beat it. Cause it might be us, and I'm telling them that the journey is oh so slow. And we wanna say no, 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 cause to make it is difficult. But we go, go, go. And my father was telling me that I better be ready to ride on through. Cause I know that it's tough, but it's gotta be somebody. So then why not you?
I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die. I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die. I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die. I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die.
Carry the spark as we're marching into the darkness. I don't care if they're marking where they bury my carcass. I'm working in this circus and searching for purpose, learning from the bird who's perched on top of the church and chirping a sermon. You want that early worm, be the determined sparrow, flying in loops around the sternest scarecrow.
Shelby wanted to see sequoias, and she got to see them.
So when I'm tested, I remember I've been blessed with that tender ember resting left of center in my chest. And yes, if you fuck with us, you'll see my game face. Cause no matter who you pray to when you say grace, and no matter where you come from in this great space, every single person is escaping from the same place. So if you got a flame that's blazing hot within, take a deep breath and feed it oxygen.
I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die. I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die. I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die. I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die, I'll never let it die.
So I was really interested in loved folk music, and then when I was in 7th grade in the fall of 1963, I started getting interested in politics. This was about a year after my dad died, and I think it was a real way to connect with him, with my memories of him.
Happy's not a faucet that'll flow when the handle is turned. I wanna handle my shit, but it hasn't occurred. I need the stamina, keep on like my grandmama. When I'm not on camera, I gotta be a man of my word and be a greater guy, not some thinnest paper guy. Like the times that Georgie Porgy kissed the girl and made her cry, saying see you later bye. Should I say it's pretty strange, coming back for Christmas that we bitch at how the city changed. Fuck it man, we're changing too, look at what we going through. Mama used to buy me shirts she said that I would grow into, but it's draping on me like an apron or a cape. A gray tsunami wave of cotton that I'm caught in, that she bought at Ross. I know the cost of it was probably awesome, but my style is sorta sloppy. I'll fit it when I blossom like a California poppy. The tears are freezing on my cheek in Boston out in Copper.
Okay, we go through the tunnel.
So pour that liquor out. I never chickened out, but if I got to make a second pick, I'd take a different route. But the grip of my decision's pretty Mickey Mouse. I tried to join the 27 club that kicked me out. It was like I'm limping into heaven while my dick is out. And there's Amy Winehouse sitting on a cloud and drinking stout, but she spits it out the moment I come gliding in. She's all like, come on Joplin, who the fuck invited him? Hide all of the Heinekens, no they don't know my name. My heart is low-key broken, so I'm taking Novocaine. And Jimmy Morrison, the Doors, and Brian Jones. You know the Stones are joking, token on the road, playing a poker game. I know that I'm a bastard, the walls are alabaster. Jimmy plays a Stratocaster, jamming out with Kurt Cobain. They're playing Purple Rain, or maybe Purple Haze. And curses how the fuck they let this jerk in with his hurtful ways. I try to jump and spread my wings like I'm a bird of prey, but they hit the earth and break a motherfucker's vertebrae. Hey, I guess I'm fucking up the blueprint for success. Woke up in the hospital with Jimmy's blueprint on my chest. This recklessness, no common sense is a kamikaze.
Good job.
There's consequences.
Did you get all that?
Don't condone it, but I did it. I'ma own it. I've been living for the moment. Gotta go, cause